Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today you're gonna see on how you can make an automatic income on Binance. So it's very simple guys to make such kind of money, and you can make it within few time, and also your daily earnings guys will depends on your investment. For instance, maybe somebody who has just invested $20 and somebody who has invested $200 will have different level of income on each and every day. It's just according to the investment, guys. So if you need to get a daily income of here, you need to have an investment, and it's 100% guaranteed that you'll get your money back and plus some profits. So let's not waste much time. Let's go and see. Okay, so if you wanna do it, you actually wanna come to this icon here, it's written N. If you don't see it on your homepage, on your dashboard, you can come here to this more. After click more, you'll find it down there. Let me try show you. I'm gonna click it more. So on the more, you can just go and get it. Maybe let's see, let's go down over here. We have common functions, whatever, send, buy crypto, whatever, and we have convert spot, whatever. Let's find this N. So as you can see, it's below here over the N button, as you can see, N. So it has like a big symbol here, as you can see it. So you can get it from there also. So let's actually go back. Let's go back and see how you can make the daily income here on Binance. So I'm gonna click on the N icon. After click on the N icon, it will actually send me this page. So over here, let me show you. Over here, as you can see, we have different kind of options. So you wanna earn income every day and it's totally guaranteed. You wanna use this simple N over here. So this is best for all beginners. This is best even for professional ones, because just continue generating income for you each and every day. Okay, so I'm gonna click it. Yes, I'm gonna click it, simple N. After I press this, it's gonna open. So I've actually invested some amount of money here. So you wanna actually invest from here. Maybe you have any kind of a coin that you have. Maybe you have BTC. For this, I'm going to BTC on the search bar there, BTC, and it's going to display it for me. See, so this is BTC. Maybe if you want to invest on BTC and you have BTCs, remember, if you want to invest on any kind of a crypto over here, you should have the specific crypto. Not that you have USDT, you want to go invest BTC. Maybe you should convert. And if you don't know how to convert, I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can go and watch that video that I made about the conversion matters. So I'm gonna press the subscribe button over here, and after press the subscribe button, you can see here's what comes. So, and they can tell you here that if the minimum, as you can see here, the minimum is 0.00 BTC. Actually, when people who are not good financial can invest here, guys. You see, it's very low. It's very low, very low. And you can see, for instance, here the codes available at this one. So a lot of people can invest here, guys. A lot of BTCs actually here. So Binance is actually a good platform where people invest money and obtain little money. So I'm gonna enter the amount here. For instance, I'm gonna try to enter the amount. Also, I have none this time. As you can see here, I have 0 available BTCs. So I'm gonna just show you guys for the sake of learning, you know. So I'm gonna type, maybe I have 4 BTCs. Let's just take that. So after you've written 4 BTCs, so when you come down over here, yes, when you see here, so here is where you be shown what you be getting every day, each and every day, the estimated daily rewards. So there you see, and if you like it and you wanna subscribe to it, actually, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna come and place here. I have read and agreed the Binance simple and N service agreement. If you need to read them, you can just go press those yellow words. So I'm gonna press there. That's have read and agreed. Just like that, and it's gonna be highlighted. Now there's one cool feature, guys. Before pressing the confirmation button over here, actually I don't have BTCs, that's why it's not in a yellow color down over here. So one great thing that you have to do before doing anything, guys, that I just maybe this kind of a bonus that I want to give you all of my YouTube subscribers. This will make you generate more income each and every day. So what you have to do is just you come directly to the word auto subscribe here. Auto subscribe, just like that. auto subscribe. So what you do, you just come and place this retro icon over here from the auto subscribe. You have to go and place it. So I'm gonna press it just like that. Sorry, I'm gonna press it, and when I press it, this window will pop up and it tells that turning auto subscribe on means your corresponding asset, including interest and new tokens purchases in the spot wallet, will be transferred to N wallet every 24 hours. You can find the auto subscribe history under wallets and N history on the flexible, because we are dealing with flexible products here. As you know, guys, we have different kind of products here. If you wanna know this kind of products, how they work, I'll also leave the link in the description, and I think it will be the second link that will direct you to the video that shows most about Binance Simple, and it explains what's flexible and what are the non-flexible products. You know, we have fixed DND and products that are flexible. The explanation is actually there. I'll leave the link in the description. So that's how you do it. When you place the auto subscribe, that means that every profit that you get will be reinvested. So your income, daily automatically income, will be increased day after day. So maybe I would like to show you another example. Okay, the other example is that, let's go back. Sorry, I clicked it very fast. Just me go to simple end. Okay, the other example that I can show you, maybe you want to invest on BNB. You can just search here on the search bar. You can write maybe BNB, and you will see the BNB, and if you tell the percentage, you can see there. Actually, the BNB right now, it's kind of the locked product, we say, or you can say the non-flexible products. It's locked, so you can take maybe 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, just like that, if you want to invest on this. And continue insisting, guys. If you want to know what are the flexible products and the non-flexible, the locked products, just I'll leave the link. It will be the second link in the description that will click and send you direct to that video, and will learn very more. So guys, I want to show you a little example. For instance, I've been investing here USDTs on this account. As you can see, all of these are the data according to my investments, and I've received actually some bonuses over here. Let's open so that I can show you some kind of the bonuses that I've been receiving. And you see, so for instance, the day that I invested, I had 0 here. So from this day, just see here, 0.00411. Now, what made this to jump all over to here? There actually is 2 scenarios. For instance, when you go to the subscription area, you can see that I invested there. I started with leave this 21 wasn't there because I withdrew it. I remember I started with $10 and then I came to $15. That's what I invested. That's why the amount went from here to here very fast. So you should not consider that you invested like $10 and then you just find whoop, Abduct just reached there because of the auto invest. No, it's not like that, guys. It's not like that. It's actually different. So if you can observe from here to here, this is what you can observe. See, so the profit continuing increasing each and every day. It's just because of that button of which you just pressed, the auto subscribe button. So I started with this one. So after they invested again the $15, now is when I started getting money. You see, as you can see, the profits are continuing going. The amount, the digits are continuing going up. So that is, guys. So that is what it is, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you found anything valuable here, if you found this video valuable, please don't go away without leaving that like button. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share to your friends so you can get more information. And thank you for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.